Have you ever felt a deep ache or sharp pain between your shoulder blades? That discomfort could be coming from your rhomboid muscles, small but essential muscles in your upper back that are often overworked and strained. In this video, I'll help you understand rhomboid pain, what causes it, and share practical strategies to ease discomfort and prevent it from coming back. Yay! If this sounds familiar, stay with me. You're in the right place, friends. I'm Yogi Aaron, and I'm a muscle specialist passionate about helping you move pain-free, live stronger, and more importantly, feel confident and secure in your body. Whether it's reducing discomfort or improving mobility, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. The rhomboid muscles are located in your upper back, connecting your shoulder blades to your spine. They're responsible for stabilizing your shoulder blades and supporting movements like pulling, lifting, and maintaining a good posture. When these muscles are strained or overworked, you might feel a burning or stabbing pain between your shoulder blades. This pain can worsen with certain activities, such as reaching overhead, pulling objects, or even deep breathing. It can also lead to stiffness, making it hard to move your shoulders freely. Common causes of rhomboid pain include poor posture, repetitive strain, or typing or lifting or sudden movements that all of a sudden overstretch and put stress on this muscle. Athletes and desk workers are particularly prone to this issue due to the repetitive motions or prolonged sitting positions. Understanding how these muscles work and what triggers pain is the first step towards finding relief. Here are some simple muscle activations that you can do for rhomboid pain. One of the major core muscles are oblique muscles, and getting those obliques working is super important. One of the ways that you can do that is just by coming to sit on the ground. Your legs can be crossed or they can be straight out in front of you. Or you can do this sitting on a chair with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Whatever you choose, bring your hands to your shoulders and then just turn one way as much as you can. And you might notice that your rhomboids will actually twinge a little bit here. If that happens, back off a little bit and just hold it there for 6 seconds, come back to neutral, and then repeat for a total of 6 times. Obviously, you want to do this on both sides. This is a fantastic way to start activating the oblique muscles. You doing this on each side will activate both sides of the oblique muscles. One of the reasons why your rhomboids are hurting is because they're stressed out. They're stressed because they're trying to do the work that other muscles should be doing instead. So one of the actions of obliques is rotation. Well, if you're turning and your obliques are not working, the rhomboid is going to start overworking, and that's one of the reasons why muscles start to shut down or become inflamed due to stress, trauma, and overuse. Another one of my favorites to get the core muscles working is just simply side bending. So one of the things that you can do is just come over to the side and think about squeezing all of these side bending muscles. And again, if you look at the rhomboid action and what it's doing, if you're kind of reaching for something and your side benders aren't working, guess what's going to do the work of these enormous muscles? Again, the rhomboids. So to review, you just simply come on over to the side and squeeze on that side, hold it for 6 seconds, come back up and go back over and do that for a total of 6 times. 6 seconds for 6 times. Nice. Another one that you can do here is just come onto your back. And this is a great way to, again, activate the core muscles. So to activate the core muscles, what you're gonna do here is bring your knees towards your chest, bring your hands to your knees, and then press your knees into your hands. And this is going to start to activate a muscle called the transverse abdominis. Actually, this is going to activate a few different muscles, but the transverse abdominis is one of the most important in terms of lower back stability here. So this is a great way to start activating that muscle. All right. One of the last ones that we want to work on is to activate our trapezius muscles. Now, the trapezius muscle is this huge muscle in the back, and oftentimes in more than 99% of people, it's not working, it's not activated. By doing this simple muscle activation, you're going to start to activate that trapezius muscle. I'm going to invite you to be really sensitive to your rhomboid and notice if this aggravates it a little bit more. There's a small chance that you're going to kind of feel this a little bit in your rhomboid. So if you do, just back off. To start, you're going to bring your forehead down to the ground and then lift your arms up. Turn the palms towards the ground and then sort of bring the palms facing the front, and then slowly start to bring the arms forward. Very slow. Lift them up and then slowly bring them back. I would suggest doing this somewhere between 4 to 10 times. Obviously 4, if you're feeling this too much and it's hurting you, then back off. But if you can, do it 10 times. What you don't want to do here is do this kind of action. This is not going to do anything for you except probably create more inflammation, which is the last thing that you want to do. So again, lift the arms up, face the palms forward a bit, and then slowly lifting the arms up as high as you can. Bring the arms forwards. And then slowly bring the arms back. And the key thing here is very slow, okay? Again, lift the arms up as high as you can. Turn the palms forward. Keep the arms up as high as you can. Don't lose that height. Bring the hands forwards and then bring the arms back. These are some very simple muscle activation practices that will start activating the muscles that your rhomboids are probably trying to compensate for, and that's the reason why that they're sore right now. Start activating the bigger muscles, and the smaller muscles will get to take a little bit of a vacation and won't be so stressed out. Your rhomboids are key players in maintaining a strong, pain-free upper back. By understanding their role and taking small, consistent steps to care for them, you can ease discomfort and move with more confidence. Progress takes time, but every effort you make strengthens your foundation for a more healthier and resilient body. Friends, if this video was helpful, give it a subscribe and share your experiences in the comments. What's your go-to tip for upper back relief? Let's keep improving together and live our best pain-free life.